Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Flybar Bumper Car is probably one of the most exciting and fun ways to let your kids enjoy a thrilling ride in the safety of your own home. This bumper car offers a unique blend of excitement, fun, and a controlled environment for adventurous play, allowing your children to enjoy the classic amusement park experience without leaving your house. This video will provide you with an in-depth review, highlighting its features, benefits, and drawbacks, to help you decide if it's the right choice for your family. Number 5. Kidzone 12V Bumper Car. It spins a full 360 degrees. This provides endless fun for toddlers and kids. Get ready for smiles and exciting rides. Safety is our priority. It's built with a sturdy shell, a safety belt, and anti-flat tires for a secure and durable ride. With a powerful 12V battery and 2 motors, it offers long-lasting playtime. Enjoy smooth rides on various surfaces. Bright LED lights and built-in Bluetooth add to the excitement. Your child can enjoy their favorite tunes while they ride. Let your child's creativity shine. Personalize it with the included DIY stickers. No assembly is needed, just connect the battery and start the fun. What we like. It offers a full 360-degree spin for endless fun. The safety features, like the seatbelt and sturdy construction, will give parents peace of mind. If you're looking for a fun and safe ride-on with music, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery lasted over an hour on a charge and still was going strong. It seems to have a long battery life and is durable enough to survive a 3-year-old and her 17-month-old sister. It is easy to use, easy to charge, and stable to ride. She had no troubles right away moving it around, and stayed in it the whole time we were there. The remote worked fine and so did the music, although you really can't hear the music over the movement of the car, but when stopped it's loud enough. The charge lasted over 3 or 4 days, not with continuous use. Number 4. Kidzone Bumper Car. It spins a full 360 degrees. This provides endless fun for toddlers and babies aged 18 to 72 months, up to 66 pounds. It has 2 ways to drive, a joystick for indoors and a steering wheel for outdoors. For younger children, use the remote control for extra safety. Safety is key. It's built with a sturdy plastic shell, a safety belt, and anti-flat tires for a safe and durable ride. With a rechargeable 12V battery, it provides 1 to 2 hours of playtime. The battery takes 8 to 12 hours to fully charge. It comes with colorful LED lights, Bluetooth music, and DIY stickers. Your child can personalize their ride and enjoy hours of fun. What we like. It has 2 driving modes, joystick and steering wheel, offering flexibility for different ages and environments. The robust safety features ensure a secure ride. If your child enjoys variety and you prioritize safety, this is a great choice. What people say. It has been very durable. It is big and spacious with flashing lights and also comes with a remote controller so parents can control it too. What I like about it is it's not too fast but fast enough for them to ride around the house. I love that it have a steering wheel to give them a feeling of a car. Putting it together was easy, because it's pretty much put together already except for a couple of things. On a full battery, it lasted pretty long. The remote control really helps to control it when I didn't want my 15-month-old going too fast. We like the fact this model comes with all the safety features, durability, harness, and above all, parental controls. They are versatile and have 2 settings for inside and outside use. Number 3. Flybar FunPark Bumper Car. Get ready for hours of fun with this exciting ride-on toy. It's perfect for toddlers and young children, offering a safe and thrilling experience. Watch it spin. This battery-powered car lets your child enjoy 360-degree spins. It's easy to control and provides endless entertainment. It features dual joysticks for easy maneuvering. With a maximum speed of 1 mile per hour, it's safe and perfect for little ones. Let the bumping and spinning begin. It's designed for fun, allowing kids to race, chase, and bump into each other safely. Soft bumpers protect your home, while an adjustable seatbelt keeps your child secure. It's built with sturdy plastic and anti-flat tires for long-lasting fun. It comes fully assembled and ready to use. Simply connect the battery, charge it, and let the fun begin. What we like. It's ready to go right out of the box, just charge and play. The soft bumpers protect your home, and it's lightweight and easy for little ones to handle. If you want a simple, fun, and safe option, this is perfect. What people say. This bumping car worked out so well by us. Not only that my toddler was thrilled with it, my baby started driving it at about 9 months old. By 14 months old, my baby learned to drive it really well. This car came fully assembled. The only thing needed to be done is connect the battery. My grandson loves it and it works great. This was my girl's Christmas present and she absolutely loves it. She just turned 1 and is able to climb in it to let us know when she wants to ride or not. Inside it seems to move quick versus outside terrain it's fairly slow, but for all intents and purposes I've absolutely loved it. You can choose whether you want the lights on or off, and there is a button on the remote so you can put the vehicle in park. Number 2. Kidzone Smart Bumper Car. It's Wi-Fi enabled and controlled by a free app. You can control its direction, speed, lights, music, and even play games to earn rewards. Made of durable, non-toxic plastic, it features adjustable seat belts, anti-flat tires, and a cushioned base for a smooth and safe ride. It meets multiple safety regulations. With 2 powerful motors, it can support up to 66 pounds. It boasts a 360-degree spin, colorful lights, DIY stickers, and Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite tunes. Choose between joystick control for kids, remote control for parents, or app control for the ultimate driving experience. You can also adjust the speed. A 12V rechargeable battery provides about 40 minutes of playtime after an 8 to 12-hour charge. It's a high-performance, eco-friendly battery. With its fun design and exciting features, it's the perfect gift for kids aged 18 to 72 months. Get ready for hours of fun. What we like. Control it via a smartphone app for an interactive experience. It boasts multiple safety features for a worry-free ride. If you value technology and customization, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's incredibly well made, easy to use, and provides endless fun for kids. The design is safe and child-friendly. The battery life is definitely impressive. It's easy to charge, and most importantly keep my kids utilized for hours. Bought this for my 18-month-old and my 3-year-old and they both were able to use it and had no issues. The parents have a remote control that we can control where they go from our end, so if we wanted to, we were able to direct our 18-month-old and guide him, which was very useful. Number 1. Bubble Factory RC Bumper Car. Get ready for fun with our exciting electric RC bumper car. It's packed with lights, music, and a remote control for endless driving adventures. Easily control it with the included remote. Watch it zoom around, making driving fun and easy for little ones. Enjoy vibrant lights and catchy music as you ride. It adds an extra layer of excitement to the driving experience. Personalize it with the extra sticker set. Make it truly unique and show off your style. It's designed for safety and durability. The sturdy build ensures long-lasting fun for your child. Playing with it helps develop your child's motor skills and coordination. It's both fun and educational. A full charge takes about 10 hours, providing plenty of playtime. It's simple to charge and ready for action. With dimensions of 27 by 27 by 16 inches, it's the perfect size for kids to enjoy. It's compact and easy to maneuver. It can support up to 55 pounds, ensuring many children can enjoy the ride. It's built to last. What we like. It comes with a remote control for parental supervision and extra stickers to personalize it. The lights and music add to the fun. If you want a fun and customizable ride-on with parental control, this is for you. What people say. My year-old son loves this bumper car. He loves the color green and of course he added the hawk stickers. Kids all loved it. Bought for a 1-year-old and she caught on pretty good on how to use it. We do have the parental control so that is a plus. My son loved this, the lights and sounds were his favorite and the battery lasts quite a while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.